Welcome to another how-to video. How to delete a lot of photos in Google Photos quickly. Today, let me show you a quick way on deleting your photos on Google Photos. So let's begin. Open Google Photos and now click the first photo you want to delete by clicking the check button at the top left of the photo you want to delete. After that, hold the shift button to the one you want to delete. For example, if I want to delete all, I pick the first photo from the top, hold the shift button, and hold my cursor to the bottom. Click the trash icon on the top right of your screen, and that's it. That's how to delete a lot of photos and Google Photos quickly. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.